everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a big surprise box and inside there is a new cycle. Let's unbox it. Yay! Okay, I am opening it. I am so excited. Wow, I can see it. It looks so pretty. The packing is strong. It's safe. We got the handle, seat, pedals. Oh my god, this cycle is beautiful. I love the color. It looks like a dream cycle. The seat is soft and comfy and the wheels look strong and smooth. This is perfect for kids like us. Okay, now I am going to ride it. Go, go, go. Wow, it's so smooth. If you like this cycle unboxing, please like, subscribe and comment cycle. Bye bye. See you next time.